No. Just don't do this. Come on. You're gonna knock me through the hole. Well, it doesn't work on me. I'm putting this on YouTube. I'm putting this video on YouTube, bro. This is a YouTube video. That's why I'm recording. You're hacking and I'm recording, so fess up. You're hacking and I'm recording, so fess up. That's what people that hack you say DZ be like. Okay, yo. Chill dude with the mobile 6-block reach. No, I'm kidding, okay. I'm challenging you, oh my god, fight me. I'll prop you up. I'm gonna prop you off this. Come on, I'm just my straight fingers. Come on. Shoot. Yeah, you better not. Come on, place them. It helps. Oh, come on, bro. Don't place those. Oh, crap. Don't use snowballs. Snowballs are illegal. Hey, that's illegal. Snowballs are illegal. If you're placing them in the middle of the island, but if you're just clutching them. You don't die! Okay, now take your spawn. No spawn protection. And challenge you. Come on. Behind you. Come on, fight me. Just come right towards me. Come towards me. Come on, walk over these blocks. Come on, just fight me. No, just fight me, legit. I want him. Bro, Jimothan. Chill, Jamal. I remember those days when I was on controller and I had an unfair advantage when I used to rage because you comboed me. I remember those days. But now it's coming back. What the hell are you saying, bro? Come on, just fight me. Legit. Come on, go legit on me. Go legit. These snowballs are not legit, okay? They're only legit when you're doing FFA, where in Treasure Wars, alright, my guy? Only when you have a bunch of them. But this is a sumo. Come on, just fight me. Come on, I'm trying to get a clicking sound video, bro. Oh, avoider, of course. You're such a runner. Your main sport in high school is gonna be runner. And you're no, bro, you don't. You're so good at running. All you do is run. Okay, I'm a good runner in real life. I'm challenging you. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm clicking at the top of my mouse. This helps. I want to PvP you at the top. Come on, swing. It's not the snowballs, my guy. I'm recording. Yes, I've been recording this whole time. That's why it's so disturbing. I don't take KB. I'm anti-KB. Come on. Come on, don't work. Come on, walk towards me. Come on, go more. Come on. I wasn't ready. Come on, let's go. No, bro. Hold on. Go again. Go again. I wasn't ready. Come on. Go. Oh my gosh. I wasn't looking at my screen this time. Excuses, excuses, excuses. Excuses, excuses, excuses. No, not yet. Go. My me, excuses, mad and excuses. Come on, snowball spam. Go. Come on. Come on. Alright, well, we're doing this the OG. Come on, not yet, not yet. You. Oh, come on. No, I'll clutch first and then you. Alright, come on. Now spam me. Come on. Snowball spam me. Snowballs. Come on. Come on, go. Oh, I wasn't ready. Oh, yeah. I don't know, bro. Alright, dude, one more sumo and then I'm going to end the video. Alright,